everyone, I am Joey Udingding, a BEd student from Shatun campus. Today, we are here at Albiga Shatun Negros Oriental. For today's vlog, it's all about ecological literacy. But you know what is ecological literacy?
This graphic discusses about eco-literacy. Eco-literacy make up for your mistakes, care for the nature, understand how the environment works, restore nature, educate citizens, creating sustainable human communities, and develop empathy to all life. In other words, it is the power that comes from the knowledge and consciousness of how nature's living system operate. The best art a human eye can see is nature. Nature is a musical beat and man is the instrument. An unscratched land is an art in hand. The abundance of nature lets you breathe so nicely and live for more. Nature is a piece of heaven bestowed to earth from God.
This moment, I will show you some ways on how to be an ecologically literate. First, let's clean up to protect our nature and to have healthy ecosystem. Let's start!
Restore forests from planting trees. Trees help to combat global warming by absorbing carbon dioxide, removing and storing carbon while releasing oxygen back into the air. They also reduce wind speeds and cool the air.
Avoid plastic bags to keep the ocean clean.
Plastic has to go somewhere, and it's frequently either dumped carelessly on land or in rivers in developing countries, before ending up in the ocean where it threatens marine life.
Ecological literacy really creates of all vision of integrated approach. We can't exist without nature being healthy. To have a successful biodiversity, it requires stakeholders from citizens to governments to understand the value of healthy ecosystem and to be engaged, to invest and to act for nature. I hope you enjoy watching my video and have realizations to protect our nature. Bye!